So I want to show you guys what kind of jump rope that I use. I use the Elevate jump rope. I'm sure you've seen advertisement about it, but this is the regular PVC pipe, and it's usually for speed work. And I also have the Beta jump rope. This one is a lot easier for beginners because there's a lot more feedback, but either or is fine. So you've just seen me do 200 jump ropes unbroken. The first clip I did also 200 unbroken. The first clip was with the PVC jump ropes, and this one is with the Beta jump ropes. I'm just switching back and forth to get a little bit more feedback back and forth and just see which one's more comfortable. The goal is to do 5 sets of 200, totaling it up to 1,000 jump ropes. I like to break down the steps into little bite-size, meaning bite-sized goals, because although I'm tired, I can't do 200 jump ropes in one go. I can't. So that way it helps with my mentality. I did 2 and now I got 3 more to go. So 3 more to go. So that was my third set of 200. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to do it unbroken 200. I tripped over at the 385 mark. I'm sorry, I can't count right now. 185 mark, and I did it in 2 goes. There remained the 15. But you know, as you saw in the beginning of the video, there's this quote that really sticks with me, and is, you can do anything with enough time and energy. So remember to think about that as you go about your life and any endeavors in your life. You can do anything with enough time